We really made a mess. It's on the wall even. The oil went on the burner, so now it's smoking. Let's see if we turn the smoke detector on today. These are the type of things you can see here on Cook with Kate. You've not seen me since San Diego? That's been a while then. That's like October last year. Trev, Chromebooks are properly awful machines. Tell me more about how you really feel. I've never used one, but I'll take all of your input. Okay. Most of this stuff is cleaned up. We're good to carry on here. So now we're gonna wash the bok choy while we're waiting for the rice to come up to a simmer. Chop that into 1-inch pieces. And then we'll mix up the teriyaki and then we'll get the salmon ready to cook. That's like how quick it is. Seriously, how quick it goes. You're not cooking till there's oil on the wall. I mean, you're not wrong. I still remember in I think it was in grade 3 or 4, when they got the new Apple computers in with the clear, colored backs. Holy. Now that was good times. Kind of shaking out the extra water from there. Because, well, if we leave the extra water in, it's just going to splash exactly like that puree did. That was scary. And I think I'll even do a little shake in the tea towel. Oh, glad I came over here. The rice is up. Do not let that go over. Just make a little package and then literally just shake it up. And I'm just trying to soak all the water off of the board. Almost like a little salad spinner of sorts. But I'm not digging that out just for this small amount. It smells really good, the rice. I can smell the ginger and garlic that we put in. I mean, maybe half of it stayed in the pot. Oops. Oopsies. Okay, next. Usually I would trim off the bottom right there, but it looks so nice that I don't even think we have to worry about that. So first, I'm just gonna go in half. I think that's how we'll prep all of them. Yeah, an aroma of ginger and garlic, if you will. What's going on in here? There was a buggy. Oof, that is why we open it and look we cut it open and look inside. And also wash it. Gross. There was a little wormy. That would have been extra protein. Okay, next. So now we'll take these back. I think we'll start at the leaves. And they said 1-inch cubes. And then for the bottom part, I'm just gonna cut it in half. Just like that. So we'll need a bowl just to put this in. I'll grab it in a moment. Because all of this is usable. I really like the bottom stem too. It's so crunchy. Yeah, we need the crunch. Crunchy and juicy. This one I'm gonna do in thirds because it's pretty large. That's a fair amount of veggies for 4 people. Trim that one a bit more. No, we don't want the crunch from sand or dirt. That is also true. Did I find more just now? Sometimes you will when you cut the bottom open. There's so much sneaky dirt in the layers. You really gotta watch as you're prepping it. It's like as Trev says it, we find it. Excuse me? Now we're good. The history of pineapple pizza? That's from Canada. The rice is almost there. Just gonna put the lid actually on it now. Let's grab our bowl. Hawaiian pizza came from Canada. Chatham, Ontario. Sam Panopoulos. So he was Greek then. A Greek guy that moved to Canada came up with Hawaiian pizza. Now tell me how all of that makes sense. Yeah, Sammy boy, he did it. Okay, next one. Just give this a little wipe and we'll make our teriyaki really quick. Yeah, right? You either love Hawaiian pizza or you hate it. I grew up with it, so I definitely don't hate it. I really like it. And there's like a bunch of different ways to eat it too, as you get older.
Blame Sam again.
Blame Sam. That's where we're at. Rice is getting close. Make some sauce. Will that fit in there though? Just get a little container for this. And we need the salt for the salmon. Why are you doing that, Wayne? What's up, Atomic? How are you today? Happy Tuesday. This is ginger garlic puree. We're gonna make a little teriyaki sauce right now. So So we're gonna squeeze that into the cup and then add this teriyaki base. And then this is gonna get cooked with the bok choy after the salmon. Yeah, anchovies on pizza. A lot of people are weird about that, especially in North America, I would say. DJ Jaffa. Wait, Hawaiian, Greek, Canadian food? Exactly. You got it. Just checking the rice. A little peek on the bottom. Mmm. That's delicious. I'm gonna turn it off and leave the lid on. You survived Monday? We did, didn't we? Now let's pour this in. We all survived Monday. We like did the stuff really early in the day, and then by the time it was like 2 p.m., we were all just bagged. Did a bunch of driving around yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like 2 p.m. hit and we just like, it was a wall. But we got everything done. You don't mind the anchovies on pizza, Kermit, but you could also do without them. That is fair. Okay, this is our stirring spoon. I know, me too. At first I kind of scared myself, but because I keep saying Tuesday. And I was like, wait, is it Monday only? Teriyaki sauce. That's gonna be so tasty. We'll probably even keep a little bit on the side just to spoon over the salmon when it's done as well. Okay, next one. We will get the salmon prepped on a plate. If anyone was around for our Sunday stream, saw how we prep the scallops. Just with a paper towel to take away some of the extra moisture. So that's what we're gonna do today. Just need a sip of water. And yeah, that's because it was a holiday. Or at least partially because. Wait, what happened here? There we go. Scissors broke for a moment. Boom. It seems like everyone had a really nice Easter weekend though. Very nice and relaxing for us. Why does this keep breaking? I don't understand. These are the worst shears that we own though, so I don't have too high of expectations. Okay, so we'll line the plate. For a work party, you ordered pepperoni jalapeno pizza. I bet that was really good. I've also gone to a place that does pepperoni with pickled jalapeno, and then they did like a drizzle of honey. It's like sweet and spicy. I really like that combination. Okay, now we're gonna get a bit messy. The other thing I was looking at on these pieces of salmon, which I think, I'll have to make do now. If I show you them, there's a lot of scales on there. So just run some cold water and we're gonna rinse that off. Kind of just a nice little stream of water so it doesn't mess up the flesh of the fish. No scales allowed. Just gonna move this closer to the sink now. We're rinsing. Oh my gosh, that's right. You met me in San Diego a day before the con trying to figure out where everything was. It was insane there, it's true. Thanks for telling that story. Is it over 2 years ago when you renewed your kitchen? Oh, you're saying on the island, Atomic? Yes, it is now. Isn't that crazy to think? This is kitchen space number 5 in like the 5 years that we've been streaming. If you can tell, we like to travel. Okay, those are all prepped now. That's how that should look. I'm just gonna put this stuff in the garbage while my hands are gross. And then give them a good wash with warm water. And so we'll also take a towel and blot off the top of these too. Will this be the last time we go away for the job, White Dove? No, it won't be. I think we'll do it for like another year. Let's blot this off. Are you going to Vegas, DJ Daffa? You're planning it out? Nice. That looks better. You're saving right now? Awesome. We are definitely planning on going to Vegas, so maybe we'll see each other again. Okay, one more hand wash, and then I'm going to set up our cooking station over here so we can cook the salmon and the bok choy together. Captain Taff, since you began following us, the kitchen we're using is the 3rd one. Time flies, guys. Okay, I'm gonna move this out. Just gonna show you the rice for a moment. That's how that turned out. So it's just kind of fluffing up on the back burner. Put that lid back on there. It smells really good. And we'll keep it warm too. Okay, just one sec. Yeah, don't look at any crab prices.